Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, night owls and insomniacs, welcome back to the darkest hour on the airwaves. This is Silas, the Deranged, Garaynj, your humble host of the Noir and Horror Power Hour, broadcasting from between time and space, from the depths of the wording well. The signal found you again. It always does, like old correspondence, like promises you thought were forgotten. Before we begin tonight's descent into the deliciously macabre, a word from our ever-faithful sponsors. Do you write letters, dear listener? Of course you do. We all do. Letters to loved ones, letters to employers, letters to paramours we probably shouldn't have. Have you ever wished you could take one back, unsend what was sent, untype what was typed? You can't, but we can help you remember exactly what you said, every word, every lie. The typewriter that remembers. From Blackwood and Sons, Purveyors of Regrettable Correspondence. It looks like any typewriter. Black enamel, silver keys, a pleasant little ding at the end of each line. You'll type your letters, your invoices, your promises you never intend to keep. But the typewriter that remembers keeps a copy. Somewhere. No one has found where. We've taken several apart. The copies aren't inside. And yet, months later, years perhaps, when you've forgotten what you wrote, when you've convinced yourself you never wrote it at all, the letter arrives. In your own mailbox, your own words, your own slurred E's and tailless R's, addressed to you, from you. Some customers find this useful, a reminder of old business, a record of promises made. Others find it less so. The love letters sent to the wrong address, the lies typed to employers, the proposals that were never meant to reach the church. The typewriter that remembers, because you may forget what you wrote, but the machine never does. Available at Blackwood and Sons, 2211B Inkwell Lane. We recommend not typing anything you wouldn't want to read again, but you will anyway. They always do. Now then, that's all the time we have for tonight's broadcast. This is Silas, the Deranged Garaynj, signing off from the space between keystrokes, the only signal that types itself when no one is looking. Sleep well, dear listeners, and if a letter arrives with your own slurred E's and tailless R's, well, you already know what it says. You typed it after all.